How to turn off notifications in Royal Match. Hello guys, welcome to today's video. In this tutorial, you will learn how you can change or turn off notifications in Royal Match. What do you do first? The first thing you do, of course, is to open your device and then launch the Royal Map application. Once it's launched and you're brought to the home page, by the top part of the screen, you see some icons, also by the lowest part of the screen. So in order for you to turn off your notifications, you would have to head over to the top right corner where you can see the settings icon. And then once you can see, just click on it. And after clicking on it, you'll be taken to your settings page where you would see options like music, sound, hint, notifications. Now, automatically on Royal Match, your notifications are usually turned on. So to turn it off, just click on this toggle. As you can see, it will be turned off. Click on it again and it will be turned on like that. And then once you're done, move to the top right corner, click on the cancel icon, and you can continue with your game without any notifications. This is how you can turn off notifications in Royal Match. Thank you for watching and have a good day.